Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Aspect's Jungle Brew. If you suffer from excessively oily or impure skin, you will no doubt have tried a few cosmetic treatments with the hope of finding that magic clear skin solution. Most products designed for oily and impure skin contain harsh ingredients which are designed to strip, degrease and dry out the problem. The promise is clear, glowing skin, but the result is often a red, itchy, dry and traumatized complexion. Jungle Brew is a revolutionary, natural, non-traumatic cosmetic solution for oily and impaired skin that will never dry, damage or upset the skin's natural balance. Most importantly, Jungle Brew works fast to deliver the results you want. Containing Aspect's signature blend of antioxidants such as wasabi extract, Canadian willow herb, AAA and vitamin E, you will see a calmer, less angry looking complexion and in approximately 8 weeks a clearer, cleaner, less shiny, healthier looking skin. Now the Jungle Brew is suitable for oily and congested skin. To use, you would just apply 1 metered pump all over the face or a small amount on the area of concern only or as a spot treatment. It works great with any of your prescribed Aspect moisturizers. Now this can also be used on its own without a moisturizer for an oily skin. So if you would like to purchase the Aspect's Jungle Brew, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Have a great day.